Flight 19. In December 1945, 5 US Navy bombers disappeared while on a training mission over the Bermuda Triangle. Despite extensive search efforts, no wreckage or bodies were ever found. The Bermuda Triangle continues to be a hotbed for unexplained aircraft disappearances. Flying Tiger Line Flight 739. In 1962, this military charter plane mysteriously vanished while en route to the Philippines. No distress calls were made, and the plane and all 107 passengers and crew on board unfortunately disappeared without a trace. To this day, the exact fate of Flight 739 remains completely unknown. Next we have the very tragic but highly publicised case of Malaysian Airlines flight MH370. In 2014, this Boeing 777 disappeared while flying from Kuala Lumpur to Beijing. Despite extensive search efforts, the plane's wreckage was only discovered years later on the ocean floor. The circumstances surrounding its disappearance continue to be the subject of debate. Next is two British South American Airways planes, Star Tiger and Star Ariel. Both planes disappeared without a trace in January 1948 and January 1949. Both planes were also flying the Bermuda Triangle route. These cases have added to the mystery surrounding this notorious area. Finally, there is the eerie case of Flight 3701, often referred to as the ghost plane. In 2002, this small passenger plane crashed in the US, but its pilot mysteriously continued to fly for hours before the crash, not signalling any issues on the plane. The pilot's actions remained unexplained, and this case continues to puzzle investigators.